You know, I never realized that a world so incredibly far away as Africa could be so close to me. Look where we are right now, on this pitiful little piece of grass, suffocated by a sea of cement, oppressed by all the traffic. Look at the people, running, shouting, like they've all gone mad. You know, I think I just might go back to Africa. Joke that you can never compare this noisy artificial world with the natural sounds of Africa. At times strange, mysterious, weird, almost unreal. Looking to the sky and raising your arm, you can almost caress it, and you feel inside you the will to live. Your skin burns and you feel a man, more sincere. You know, I think I might just go back to Africa.